hold on. What's going on there? How'd that get scratched? Gonna have to fix that. Oh yeah, that's right. It was me. I see this scratch, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And a little rub here, but I can hardly see that. When I put my fingernail in these, now it's down a little bit. You could buff it out, but I'm not sure how much you'd have to buff it. We're going to fix this a different way. Let's go for a little drive, pick up some paint at my favorite paint store. They've got small quantities and quite the range of ready-made colors. As you may have figured out, this isn't your average hardware store. This looks like something different. Yep, you're right. It's a drugstore, and that's nail polish. They come in a variety of colors. Perfect spot to get small quantities of clear. Right on the bottom shelf here as the good cheap stuff. Let's go put it on the car. Some might be wondering, why am I fixing up this 17-year-old car? It already has some bumps, bruises, scratches, fade, rust, probably a little rot. I guess the main reason is I can see it when I walk by. I know I did it to the car, and other people notice it too. I just want to make it a little less visible. So we settled on the paint choice. Now what are the instructions? Simplified enough, clean the area, 3 light coats, let it dry in between. Not sure how long it takes to dry. Let's go find out. For cleaning the area, I'm just using parts cleaner on some paper towel. So anybody that's watched the channel before, they know I'm all about quick and easy and good enough. There we go. Cleaned up. We're going to apply coat number 1. Would I do this to a perfectly good car? No. I'll do it to this car though. I just don't want to see the scratches. It does seem to be filling things okay. It is leaving high spots. Fine with me. On to scratch number 2. A pinstriper, I'm not. Uh-oh, we got that there. I don't want that there. I'm always impressed seeing that people doing the painted on pinstriping. I'm too shaky for that stuff. And impatient. And not artistically talented. Number 3. And number 4. Now it does say 3 coats. For coat number 1, it says wait for it to dry. The wait time for me is just about this long. And back to the beginning. Okay, there we go. All covered. Now we'll just wait a little bit, see what it looks like. That one turned out okay. That one I still see some white. I see some white on that one. That one a little bit too. They were deep scratches, but we'll do the walk-by check. So just walking by the car, not as noticeable. That's a win. There we go, another task complete. Does it look okay? Well, it looks okay enough. You don't notice it as much when you walk by. I'm happy enough. For $4, I can't really notice the scratches as much as I used to, so I'm happy. Here's the before. Here's the after. Is it a good job? Not really. Amateur at best. Some spots it blended a little better than others. I'm happy enough I can walk by and not totally notice the scratches. Again, goes back to if this was a really good car, not the approach you'd want to use. But for $4, hides things a little better for me. I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching.